Here's the app called Koco Widgets App Launcher. Open apps, no redirect. New viral app, quite smart, very smart. App Store's editor's choice, featured on App Store banner. And then direct launch widgets. So that's the main viral feature. Tap a widget to open your selected app directly, no redirects to the host app. And you also have this dynamic island, quite advanced customization, real transparent widget, animated animal widgets, premium icon packs, editor's choice, pure iOS design, native style experience, and then you can just open it up. And then you can see all of these pixelated GIFs, dynamic islands, widgets, and then you also have free widgets just to get started. Grid for mini apps. All of this which you can just use, for example, if you just select this, then you just add to library, it's in your library, and then you can just go and install it. Then you have portal widgets, health widgets, weather, time, system. Then you have dynamic island widgets. Then you have icon packs. Then you have settings. And then that's you can also share it to get pro. So you can just see the details. If you get likes, then you can just get membership. And that's kind of the idea of it, so quite cool. And then you also have like your widgets, which you can see small, medium. And then if you want to install medium, you need to pay. But yeah, to install the widget, obviously just tap and hold, and then just tap plus, and then you just can search for Koco. I don't know why it's not appearing. But yeah, that's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, maybe, I don't know why it's not, basically it's not appearing. Maybe you can just type here to customize, add widgets, and then here you can just kind of add it. So yeah, that's what it is. I don't know, maybe there is some glitch, but usually this app works. Maybe I need to restart my phone or something. But yeah, it's a great new app for widgets.